In this video, we'll be demonstrating how a combination of chiropractic and acupuncture techniques can be used to relieve lower back pain. We start off with cupping, infrared therapy, and electrical muscle stimulation while the patient undergoes flexion distraction. Then the lumbar spine is manipulated using various techniques. After adjusting the low back, we transition into acupuncture. This form of cupping is followed by acupuncture needling technique, which stimulates the body's natural energy, which is also called qi. And finally, finish off with correction of the cervical spine.